Hey guys, it's Danny. I have some Crazy One blind bags again. Series 1 and Series 3. There's no more Series 2s, so I'll open up this bag. Oh! And yes! I got a new figure finally!
Yeah. That one looks kind of cool. Huh.
Yeah. This one. And
where'd you get all that stuff, man?
from what? From where?
Hi, Mama.
Walgreens.
Walgreens. Here.
Where's the other figure? You only gave me 2.
Okay.
Whoa.
And I'll rip this bag.
No. Alright, get to your next one.
Okay.
I'll see you guys later.
Alright.
Here's another Series 1.
Dang.
Later.
Where are you going?
Hey.
Home.
Why?
Because I gotta change my clothes.
What the heck? What the flippin'?
Whoa, that one looks cool, dude.
Oh, look at this guy.
Where'd he go?
He's right there.
Oh, he almost looks like Darth Vader, but blue.
Dark Vader.
Darth Vader, yeah.
Dark Vader.
Darth.
Darth Vader. This one's kind of sticky.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of sticky.
He almost looks like a Pokemon, huh?
Yeah. Stop! I gotta do the Series 1 again. Here's another Series 1. I got some new figures today, guys.
Yeah.
How cool is that? I got the whole collection. A yellow one.
Wow, that's the bug-looking guy again.
Another blue one. I got a duplicate. A duplicate.
I don't think you have that one.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Oh, yeah, you do. You're right. Watch out, bud.
A duplicate.
I said hi, JC.
I said hi.
Did you hear? I didn't hear.
Yo. Another pack right there.
Oh,
I already said hi to you earlier. We weren't talking.
The pink one, there's 3 versions of those.
yeah, that's cool, dude.
I can't really tell what this is. What is that? What is that?
That one looks like a monster laying down.
That's number 1095. 93. Here's the package.
All right, let's get to the series 3. Go back. You're not in the... There you go.
Here's Series 3. I'll rip this bag open. 3 bags. What the heck?
That one kind of looks like Bart Simpson a little bit.
A Bart Simpson. What the?
Coolness, dude.
Whoa! What the heck is that? What the heck? What the heck is to put together? And put together.
Yeah. Well, remember the series 3 comes that way. All right, get back in the video. You can't get out of frame, silly.
Another Series 3. Do it the back way. I can rip the back open. I'll rip the bag open. A green one? A green Bart Simpson?
Yeah.
What the heck was that?
It looks like a trophy almost.
A talking Crazy Bone trophy? What the heck?
It looks like a squid or sea animal or something.
Yup.
Alright, stay over in the frame, silly. You can't get out of the frame, buddy. They
And
can't
now
see you.
series 3. And now series 3. Aw, man, I ripped the back open today. I ripped the back open, guys. And here's the sticker. And a blue, a barcode.
Yeah.
What the heck is that? And
It's an alien. Wow.
this is a real alien.
Yeah, look at that guy, huh?
What the heck is that?
It looks like another trophy. Now you have a yellow and a gray trophy.
Glasses 3. Glasses 3. Rip to your bag. Beep, 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 beep.
Don't throw him, son. Oh, that's another alien.
Beep, 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 beep.
Wow.
And shark. Ah! That's a stinging shark.
Yeah.
Same thing as last time.
Alright, remember. Sit back in the frame. Sit back in the frame.
Thank you for the paper.
Mm-hmm. Remember, say, like my page.
Huh?
Like my page.
Not like my page.
Give me a thumbs up.
Give me a thumbs up.
Leave a comment.
Leave a comment. Peace.